Okay, so we have here a quick introduction here into what's called the ambiguous case, right? An ambiguous reason it's called this is because it's unclear just from the information given that we can tell whether we have one triangle, sometimes we have two triangles, and sometimes we have no triangles. All right, hence the name, the ambiguous case, right? The ambiguous case is a case where we're given a side, another side, and then the angle, right? And the angle being not the one that is between the two given sides. Okay, so here is an example here, just a quick demo here of the ambiguous case, the side angle, right? Never written angle side side, right? Okay, so here what you'll notice is in this case there is no triangle form, right? If we're given this side where A is 2.5, B is 9, and our angle alpha is 30 degrees. Right now, if I do a little animation here, we'll see. You notice that horizontal line, dashed line, that is fixed, right? That angle, or the side C must be along that dotted line, right? The length of it really depends on the side A, right? As we can see here, if we're given these conditions, we would come to the conclusion that there is no triangle that can be formed here. All right. Now, let me pause it here. Let's say we extend this side here. All right, now here I have where A is 4.5, we have exactly one triangle here, right? Notice here the side C is along that dotted horizontal. Right? And if we do that, there's no animation, right? It's kind of static, it just stays there. Right, so that's the case where we have one triangle. All right. Now, let's say I extend A longer than 4.5. All right, now here, what's going on here? All right, so now when we notice here in this case, my side A is 5.7. All right, so that length that you see right here, that's 5.7. Right, but notice when I do the animation here, right, it's going rather quickly, but you notice here, right, that side A is fixed, right? It's not changing. And you notice there's a B1 and there's a B2. Right, so there's two triangles here, right? If you can kind of see here, the two triangles that I'm referring to are triangle A, B1C, and A, B2C. Right? Now with this side angle, with an angle 30, side of 9, and side of 5.7, we see we have two triangles that can be formed. Okay, so hence it's called the ambiguous case, right? If we're given two sides and the angle that is not included within those two sides, then it's ambiguous, right? It's up to us to determine, right? And we'll go through some examples where we see, all right, how do I know if I'm in the no solution case? How do I know if I'm in the one solution case? And how do I know if I'm in the two solutions or two triangle case? Right? And here you can see why that happens, right? At least visually, you can see a quick demo as to why this occurs. All right, next we're going to go into some examples where we determine in which case we lie in the ambiguous case.